plants establish more or less deep relationships with organisms belonging to other kingdoms.
Among the most ancient relationships are those that plants form with fungi and bacteria.
Bacteria often frequent the lithosphere of some plants, that is, the portion of soil that surrounds the roots. Some are even hosted within root nodules specifically constructed.
The associations between plants and fungi are often localized in the area of the root system, where fungal filamentous cells, the hyphae, extend between the root and the soil, taking advantage of the plant's photosynthetic capacity to obtain sugary substances. Conversely, plants exploit the enormous absorption capacity of fungal hyphae to improve their uptake of mineral salts from the soil.
In Myrmecophily, some plants offer shelter and nourishment to ants, in exchange for protection from the defenses of other insects and the threat of invasive plants.
We speak of mutualistic symbiosis when both or all the various species involved benefit from the symbiotic relationship.
The Acacia cornigera, at the base of the leaves, has large structures transformed into spines, hollow inside in which ants reside. These feed on the Beltian bodies, ovoid corpuscles rich in fats and proteins that are found at the apex of the leaves.
Another example of very intimate mutualistic symbiosis between plants and insects is the interaction between some species of the genus Ficus and a particular wasp of the genus Blastophaga, which is very small in size.
It is not necessary to have such close relationships and interdependence. A friendship can also be transient. The yellow ladybug frequents those plants on whose leaves it can find its preferred food, mold.
Sometimes a plant offers free refuge and protection without asking anything in return. Some animals hide inside the flower, away from prying eyes, and may spend a few hours there before leaving without paying any tribute. Others, however, exploit the shelter offered by the flower to implement their predatory strategy, the ambush, as some spiders do, for example.
Plants also relate to humans. Some species choose to live with us, the so-called anthropophiles, like this beautiful red poppy. These plants prefer environments frequented by humans where they find soils rich in nitrogen compounds, especially nitrates, and for this reason, they are also defined as nitrophiles.